Nobody in his right mind would think the state of the nation now is what he expects. Nobody. All we hear is Alpha Beta creating and stealing the money mindlessly. And he had the audacity to tell us that he wants to be president of which country? Tiffy Tiffy? No. I'm 76 years old. What am I afraid of? If you can't say the truth to power, then pack up. We're not going to run away from this country. We will all be here to fix it. But I want to tell our people, it's not a matter of, in the south. No. Go from Kebbi to Sokoto to Zamfara to Katsina to everywhere. Wahala. That's not what we but you see, I will say it because I was in the military. I know what a military organization is. Now I've been in a civil life, I know what democracy is. In the military, it's a unitary structure. The commander gives orders from the top and he percolates to the bottom. God bless you. If you fail to take the order, there are consequences, instant consequences. But in a democratic dispensation, power must come from the people. So the system we are running, which has given birth to all these insurgencies, recklessness, lack of, it is not positively impacting on the minds of Nigerians. It is the system that is awkward. It is not working. It will never work. I am appealing to Oga. He has 1 year effective 1 year to revisit the report of the Constitutional Conference and go and restructure. What we mean, because they've been asking, what do you mean by restructuring? Devolution of power. Reduce the power at the center, bring the power to the states. There is no state in this country that cannot survive. There are resources, God-given resources. They will look for them. And if you cannot survive, you merge up with somebody else. We cannot sit here and be waiting for power to be orders to come from the top. Nigeria is massive. The same with security. One Oga police is sitting in Abuja. You know, every policing is local. If you come to your area and you have the local police there, people who grew up with you, they know which house is this, they know which man is that. That is the real policing. Because if they see a stranger or somebody, they say, hey, wait there. They will speak the language, they know the culture, they know the norms. So why are we centralizing police? We can still do it like the Americans do. The Federal Bureau of Investigation, the FBI, that's the national police. But for local something, community is community-based. Why can't we have it? We cannot continue like we... Look, what is the population of Nigeria today compared to those colonial people? Even those people who came here, these colonial people who came here, in their country today, the Metropolitan Police of London is different from Metropolitan Police in Manchester, different from... So why are we centralizing everything? And that is the real basis for security. Okay, you now say the soldier... I know how difficult. We have a special operation. Once there is an insurgency or unrest or something and the police cannot go, the commander-in-chief has the right under the Constitution to call out the military. We call it aid to civil power. But we are now fighting ourselves. The problem now is not military solution. It's not a matter of dividing Nigeria and going to different direction. No, I don't believe in that. Because even if you say Oduduwa Republic, Oduduwa Republic, Oduduwa Republic, you, I'm a Lagosian. Let me go to Ogun today. and say, hey, I want to be this, they will say, where are you from? Are you from from Ijebu, or you are from Remo, or you are Egba, or you are Egbado? If you are not out, yes. But the only state, two states that differ, that are very accommodating, Lagos State, Kano. Only that they will say, okay, you know, in Lagos, it's a natural trading port. That's our culture. We accept anybody from, once you have something to sell, not come and do GPT here. But if you have any wares to sell, we will buy. You will make your money. And after some time, they will push you or do this, and you build your houses, your children go to school and speak the same. So those are the things that had made Lagos the commercial nerve center of West Africa. So I want to plead with our people. Senator Mwagege says he wants to go on zonal, what does he call it? Zonal town hall meeting to delay us. What is he town halling for? What is he bringing? We can't start from zero again. There is a report. Let him carry that report, bring it out, let people discuss it. Otherwise, maybe it's a long time he's been in his constituency. People are hungry, and people are angry and are dying. So let him reduce his visitation. Take that report that is being submitted by President Jonathan. Let's start from there. So within a year, it will be all right.